Hey everyone. So I'm going to show you how to take a video that you have uploaded to screencast.com, like a quiz video, and share it with students in Moodle. And then while we're on the topic, I'll show you how to get your data. So first of all, you will create an assignment in Moodle. The video itself will go in the description box in the assignment. All right. And to do that, what we'll do is you can go ahead and fill in the assignment name, put in any directions that you would like to accompany the video. From there, we will go to screencast.com and sign in. Once you sign in, you should see all of the videos that you have loaded from Camtasia into Screencast. We will choose the video that we want to share with students, and we will click the little share icon where it says share this item. We will click that for the video. Now you can share the URL with the students, and when they click on it, it will take them to the video in a separate tab. But I think it's a better idea to embed the video within Camtasia. To do that, we'll go down to the embed box right here, click copy. From there, we'll hop back into the assignment. We will, unfortunately, you cannot just paste it here. You have to go to the HTML editor. So we'll click on that little thing right there that's got the two little brackets with the slash through it. We'll click on that. And now here's the HTML code for our description box. And what you're really looking for, even if you're not an expert in HTML, even if you've never used it before, you can kind of figure out what we've got. So I just written on the page, sample video quiz, colon. You can see that text right here. And then after that, what you're looking for is where it says BR. All right, so that's a break after that, slash P, that means end of a paragraph. You see we have a couple more breaks here. What these breaks represent is the beginning of the open space after our text instructions. So we'll go to this open space right here, and then we can paste the embed code that we copied. And that's pretty much it. Now, whenever we go back to the regular rich text editor, which we'll just click on that button that we clicked before. When we go back to that, now you can see our video is nice and neatly embedded. As far as the other settings for this assignment, just make sure that for the submission types, nothing is selected because students are not going to submit a file. They are not going to enter any online text. Your results will come from screencast.com. So students are not going to submit anything into Moodle. The submission will just be into here. Now you may want to have the students mark this complete, but that's about it. Everything else works as normal, due dates, availability, all that works as it would with any assignment. All right, so let's go to save and display so we can see what this looks like from a student perspective. All right, so there it is. Now, when a student clicks play on the video, they'll be prompted to enter their first name, last name, and an email address. And whenever they take the assessment, you will have access to all of that data. So you can see who has done what. All right, let's say you've assigned a video to students and you want to see how they've done. What will happen is each day that a new student submits a quiz, you'll get an email between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock that evening telling you new students have completed the quiz and that data is available. You'll get one email regardless whether one student or 80 students complete the assessment. You get one email, and that email will have a link to your data summary. When you click on that link, it will take you to this page right here, results.techsmith.com. And from there, you can find the relevant quiz and click on the little bar graph to see the data from it. And you'll also have options to download CSV formatted data from your quiz. Whenever we go to this page, so you can see a summary, so you can see how everybody did in general. You can see it broken down by viewer. There's only one person that's taken this quiz. They got 100 because they're pretty awesome. But if you have more students, you'll be able to see all their numbers, and you can even break it down by question so that you can look for possible weaknesses in students' understanding of the curriculum. That's pretty much it. Again, it's not too bad. The trickiest part might well be getting the HTML side formatted, but once you've done that once or twice, it's a breeze. If you're not sure about that, let me know and I can help you out. Another helpful tip would be to set up a practice assignment in one of your Moodle courses, just to play with the HTML stuff. You're not going to break it. You can play with the HTML stuff and get a feel for how that works. And that's pretty much it. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.